Enko na nkrotuo awodo miensa bi a woton mansini mu ya eye mepetichu enso a ye bie akosombo de no aha wo mo pa no ewo mu sempanifo apa ba bi ama wo mo de nso bia kra ya pa de ama wo mo no ewo kra mpo nso san hyeda nko yi asa ewo mu se yesen enso no eyiri befa wo mo de ene schools no mu en wo mo da ene ma bebre koso wo makosam ebi ni Adom TV Kasee edi nkomo yi.
Almost 20 households, and in each household, people in one household is averagely, I can say 6 in each household. So when you want to take a creditor, meaning about 5 to 6 households are in one room. Those who are sleeping outside are not part of it. So today we pray to God. The army came for one intervention that they were putting up the tents so that some of the people can be sleeping in.
I'm going to go for this one. Maybe I'm she for that for my news. I give me machine. And you give me here mattress. Donc les gens Seigneur nous qui avons besoin ça que bodo ko ilamu ko ma ko dimina
no kata obasa ye kenyama amnyiki harafi amuhadu gutami danamle la ko shinu ko gutafu yema.
Accommodation for people have become so difficult that I have to leave my shop for colleagues to also relax since they have no place to sleep.
We came to where they said is the safe haven, and so I asked to look at their toilets. If you see what I saw, very terrible. Even the path leading to the toilets is overgrown with weeds, and it will not encourage anybody to pass through. To all well-meaning Ghanaians, our development partners, to come to the aid of people in the affected districts. We can arrange for mobile toilets for them. We can also arrange for dignity.